Okay, got a 67 Buick lesabre. Trying to redo these fenders. This car's a complete rust bucket, so we'll see how much we can accomplish. Figure I'll do it in sections. I don't know why I specifically started here, just thought I'd get this bend part out of the way, curved part, following this right above the strip so I can still make that angle for the shape. Rusted inside and out, so I would do that as best I can too. Trying to take that lesabre off. Already broke part of it, so probably gonna get a hot gun or something, heat gun. So I'm just gonna try and cut that part off. Cut this part and that part and the door, and then try and bend some sheet metal back in, replace it all, and otherwise, not bad.